Welcome, me Vincent Rosario with Goa 365 Taekwondo training session with self-defense. So I have today with me the girls, this Shruti Naik and Sumya Khan. So we will start again today with the first basic warming up and then we'll go for some girl self-defense technique. Ready? Charat? Tunge. Legs out. Chumbi. Relax neck rotation left to right. Change opposite. Bend in front, bend your neck in front. At your back. Slowly up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend at the side to your left side. Change. Try to press your neck this down more. Turn to your left side. Turn your neck to your left side. Try to press this more harder. Change. Slowly left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now for this you just rotate your these hands up. Just rotate your shoulder here like this. 1, 2, 3, just plain warm up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands in front, jog side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right and up, bend to your left side. Yeah, press it down. Try to press more. So give little jug like this. Bend more. There. 1, 2, give a jug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now catch your knees, legs little out and turn to your left side. So press now, press your hip at the down and come up. So press down, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come up, stand straight. Take your left leg in front. Come little in front. Touch your knee to your shoulder. Now here you can jump little bit. 1 here. Leave your body free here, but hands over here up. Understand? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again change your leg. Now knee from inside to outside. Just jump this here like that. So let your full body move it. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, lift your downhill lift, heel lift. 1, so like a jumping. 2, 3, like a jump. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump little. 9, 10. Change your leg, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come up to me. Ready? We'll just go now little. So take your left leg out. So now hands here, this, open your hand, join your fingers, palms together and put it inside. So from here you hit the palm heel. So move your shoulder, you look in front, just straight over here. So, yeah. Okay, let your knee move like this, your body. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Start with your left hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, move here this. 9, 10. Little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are hitting, you hit the palm heel over here like this. Understand?
Yes,
so heel, not like this. Palm heel. Okay. Ready? Now from here, you move this from here. 1, left knee first. So from here, hands here, this. So 1, okay, 2, 3. Don't bend your body like this. So body straight. 1, 2. Understand?
Yes.
Ready? So start with your left hand first. Come little in front. Front. Go. 1, 2. No, join your legs from here. Join your hands from here. Join your hands. If you want, you can do it like this. Okay. 1. Hand little extra now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Move little fast now. Again. See, now move little fast. 1, 2. So with this you do the exercise also of your body workout, not only the self defense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let your stamina improve fast. Go. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now go without a count. Start here. Ready? When I say stop, you stop. Go. 1, start. Stop. Nice. Breathe. Be there only down. Okay, now from here, hands over here, this. You hook with this hand, palm hook over here like this. And what we did first, the palm heel like this. Understand? So from here, hook this hand. Okay, and hit the palm like this. Okay, on this hand. Understand this? See, from here, you are standing here like this. You hook this, boom, back. Hook this, boom, back. So here, move this. Here, move. Let your full body move like this. Okay, ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hold your thumb here like this. Okay, don't keep your thumb out like this. Hold your thumb. This. So change your hand, other hand this. So right hand hook, left hand palm this. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go a little faster. 1, fast. Hey, so hook this hand fast with 1 count. Hook. Hey, so bring this close in there. Yeah. Ready? So 1, 2. Don't keep your hand there. Boom, back. Again here or here. 1 back here. 2 back here. 3 back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't make it 2 counts. Boom, boom. No. 1. Okay, this first as a beginning you do like this. 1, 2. Now boom, boom. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now alternate hand, other hand. Okay, so left hand you hook, right hand palm. Which one you did? So just now opposite hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move your body there. Move your shoulder this way. So let your hip twist like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? So 1, 2, 3. Go on. Move this. Okay, ready? Start. Go. Okay, stop. So ready? So now the next this thing. So from here, hook this hand, left hand, right hand this, and right leg this. Understand? So right this, left this, this. It doesn't matter which leg you take. You can take whichever leg is. So if you hook this, and hit this, no problem. Okay, but move one of the leg. So hook 1, 2, this, or hook 1, 2, this. Which leg come first? Don't think anything. Understand? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. You can change your hand by yourself. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one more time. Try to be a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up to me. So with this you can do also with the music from here. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Understand? So with this we'll take short breaks. Stay with us. We'll see you back. Welcome back. So we'll continue with the same, how to practice the same thing with the self-defense way. So just come over here, Charat. Come over here, face to each other. So now this practicing with the partner. When somebody try to catch you over here, so watch it here, this side, this, be there. So from here. So from here, if somebody catch you over here, catch that. So you won't able to lift this over here. Catch this. You won't able to lift this over here. So from here, either you go like this over here or like this over here. So from here you hold. Or you hit the elbow, hold it over here, this over here. The palm first, what you learn, palm over here. Understand? So from here, you hit this or you poke the finger in your eye and hook it over here. What you learn like this and this over here. Understand? So go again, pair up. So you catch, you will do it. Ready? Go. So don't try to open this. Yeah. No. See, so from here, this, you're avoiding, see, from here, when somebody catch you over here, you try to defend yourself covering over here. So because when somebody catch you over here, this will be the next on you. Understand? So you are over here protecting by yourself at the side over here. So from here, you think that your hand can reach over here, or see your hand can reach over here. So you hit over here this one, or the fingers in the eye over here. So from here you hit the elbow, see, elbow over here, okay. So you hit the palm over here, understand, and back, okay. Ready, go, catch, no, reaction, see, from here, catch, here, there. So you step at the back there, boom, okay, then this, oh. No, this is, see, watch again, covering yourself, covering your face, looking at to the opponent, see, from here, there, here, so you are away, slap on that, so you are away from this. If you try to enter inside, you go back, so here, but see, okay, understand? So from here again this, here, one, okay. Yeah, hit the palm heel, aim the palm heel. Ready? Again, one more time. Go. No. Don't block this, because even if you catch over here, block this. If a person is strong, you won't able to move this, because if a person is like bodybuilder or this, you won't able to shake this hand. You won't able to move this over here tight. You won't able to bend this over here. So only you will able to bend when you hit over here. Then you this over here. So from here, if you want catch the hair, or hook over here behind, or catch the hair and hit it over here, this, understand? Or hook over here, palm over here, this palm strike over here, this palm heel. Or if a face move like this over here, this over here, understand? So it goes opposite this, okay. No, see, don't use the block. Don't use this. This you won't able to move this. This going away from this over here. So either you hit, if a face, look here, this. If you're looking, you poke this. If you're not looking, you poke these fingers over here, this. Okay, over here to the neck. Yes, and back. Again. Catch tight. No. You don't hit the slap this. Here like this. Here. You move. Here. So look at two opponent here. So this hand also covered over here. Don't bring it down over here. Yeah, again, catch it tight, little fast now, catch. Yeah. Again, one more time. Again, catch this side, you catch. No, don't use the block, don't use the block. See again, this. Don't use the block. If somebody catch you over here, this. Come this side. So somebody catch you again, catch. Catch tight. So you won't able, here you will waste your time. By the time you will get this slap on your face. So from here this. So you cover yourself, you slap. So here this. That time you can hit it if you hit it over here this. Okay. So from here this, and this over here this. Okay. So from this, either you want this, if your hand is not reaching, you block this there. Ready, go. Where's the hand? Hand attack first. Yes. Because see what happened for the girl self defense, face, throat or groin. Okay. So that this is the sensitive part over here. This you have to aim either one face, throat or to the groin, whichever you get first. Now from here, I don't get a groin. Understand? Either I get a face or the throat may be over here. So you aim, you don't open this, catch tight. You won't able to block like this. You aim the face. Okay. After aiming the face, then you, because what happened, the mind divert over here, again fast, tight, catch tight, catch tight. See here. So when this move, this open. Okay. So first, either fake, if he's fake giving a fake, again this, moving at the back. She will move at the back, okay, to save herself or himself. So then over here this, then the palm strap. Ready, go. Don't make it two step. See, this is a traditional way. See, watch again. So one coming back, one boom. So you are wasting in the traditional way. One punch back, punch two. By the time you will get a punch. So one boom, hook. No bringing a hand. So from here move in this straight move. Yeah, don't hit the knee now. Okay, go. Other hand cover up. Don't let your other hand down. Again, watch. Yeah. Catch. Not like this. From here, catch. Here, this. Boom. Bring your other hand also up with you. Yes. Again, one more time. Okay, now same thing, one more step ahead. Now you use a proper knee, again catch now. So from here, one, okay, this hit over here, you pull this, hit over here, this over here, still you are catching the neck. So from here, you turn the head over here, this and here. Okay, so when you catch somebody's neck, so you can see. So from here, if I catch it over here, here. So neck and to the jaw over here. So when you hit, hook, holding the neck over here, hitting the palm hand over here, hitting the knee over here. From here, you turn it there. Okay, yeah. Again up, do it slowly. Yeah? Don't hit it very hard, maybe your neck get break or pain. Ready, again, slow. First slow till you understand. Catch. Oh no. This hand has to go to the jaw over here. Shin. Oh. Palm. No. See from here. 1, 2. See. 1. Face. Throat the groin. You catch this one of this target. Face. Okay. If you want this over here. So then hook it. Palm. Okay, palm heel over here. If you want, you can use the groin kick. So from groin kick, you use the knee over here. So from the knee, you can step over here and you can turn it over here, this. Then you can mesh it over here. Okay, understand? So catch it first proper. So from here, this. So first you catch this proper. 1, 2. Okay, groin kick. Face knee, okay, or the face knee over here, this. So if you use this, if you use this over here, this, and over here, then mash. Okay, do it again, this, catch. No. You can catch this over here. You can catch it, but the technique change over here. When you catch this over here like this, you put this hand over here, this, kick to the groin, and if it's hair over here, you can catch the hair and turn it to the opposite side over here and over here. If you by mistake, if your hand is went like this and this, you are not wrong, but you have to change your technique. Understand? This, from here, after hitting this, you can press it over here, this. Okay. So from here you can turn it like this also, you can turn it like this also. So if you turn like this, it's over here. So and kick. Okay. Ready, go. And stand up with this, so you can kick it over here like that. Yes, again up. Give a hand and to come up. Ready, go. Catch. Catch little fast, so she can react it fast. So here no pressure too much on the legs. If you use more pressure, so you can bang the opponent very fast. Now see, I will fold her neck, but over here this. So if you use too much pressure over here, if you give a sweep little hard and if you depend on your sweep, so it will go like this. Understand? So sweep. So from here this. Okay. So you can depend any one of that. Yeah, second, come up, don't stand there, come up and this, so you can use the knee over here. So from here, when you throw down, come up, can use the knee. Again, catch fast. No, now you catch fast. Now she knows you catch her fast. So let her react it fast. Because you are practicing, learning by yourself. So move little fast now. Go. Don't hit it. Okay, one more time, then change. Go fast. Catch. Okay. So it is very risky also sometimes, because if you move the neck very hard, you can damage the neck. So when you throw hard over here, and if I don't catch over here, this can bang it over hard. Understand? Okay. Again, now this side. Yeah. Go fast. No, now you catch one more time. Let her do. Okay, one more time, fast. Yeah, ready, go. Try to hit the knee also. Okay? Come up. Chumbi. So first bow to each other. Charat. Okay, face this side. So with this, we end of this episode. Stay with us. We will continue. Go watch Goa 365. We'll see you next week, same time. Okay, Charat. Yeah.